Right there is the remote, and in order to replace the battery for it, notice behind the remote there is that button right there. All we have to do is just press and hold that button and then pull the key outwards. There's the key taken out. Now we'll keep the button portion at the bottom and the cover portion stays at the top. And I'm going to use a screwdriver like this. I'll punch in the screwdriver right in that spot because we actually need to press a tab. Here's a picture that I'm showing that I took out earlier. So that tab actually needs to be pressed in order to take out this cover at the back. So I'm going to punch in the screwdriver and then press that tab. There you would notice some sort of room is created on the corner by pressing that tab. Now I will carefully punch in the screwdriver right there and then slide the cover outwards. There it is. That is how the cover is taken apart. Right there is our battery in that location. You will see it has 4 tabs. 2 tabs are a little bigger and the other 2 tabs are smaller on the corner. We'll punch in the screwdriver right beside the location of the smaller tab and then pull out the battery. There it is. That is how we take out the battery, and it is a CR2032 type battery. In my case, the battery is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new battery and you want to install it back, just make sure the plus sign on the battery actually stays at the top. We'll go ahead and punch in the battery back where we took it out from. Again, pointing out there are 2 bigger tabs right there. Make sure to slide in the battery in those 2 bigger tabs first. Just like that, the battery goes completely in. We'll just push down the battery one more time to make sure it's completely in. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this cover back. Just make sure that this side at the back of the cover like this stays towards this red button right there. And the other side that has these 2 tabs, it stays at the top on this side. So we'll go ahead and punch it back just like that. And then snap it all the way from both sides until it's completely in. There it is. The cover seems good from all over the edges. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the smart key. With that, we are done with the replacement of battery for this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.